So, hello guys, this is Mr. Miko R10. Kahit walang 10 dyan, 10 pa din gusto ko kasi ako to. So,
Favorite number niya yung 10.
maglalaro kami ng Happy Family. Kasama ko na naman si Shin and Jin. So, yan. I don't know I don't know this game, but yeah, we will know. Kasi lalaroin na natin nga ni.
Here. Where? Here.
Saan kayo guys? Ay! Alis! Dito, lipat. Ay!
Dito.
No, wait! So, we need to wait
No!
for Casey again.
Tinaport ako!
Ang gulo mo, Michael.
1 hour later.
Dito. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just wait.
Grabe pala yung height ko. Kamukha mo talaga si si Zach. Kamukha mo yung drawing.
Ako? Yung
Yes.
ako talaga?
IRL.
Okay. Waiting for happy players.
The happy players.
Dreamfall Studio. Present. Happy family.
Present over here, si Shin.
Masasalta ka din, lapit mo yung mic. I cannot hear you.
Very,
What a
very
happy
good.
day to wake
A happy
up.
day to wake up.
Happy.
Happy.
I'm always happy.
I'm always happy. Happy. Oh.
Wala akong mic. I
Oh, diba? Happy.
I cannot click the up, but I can skip.
There is no up button. Jump.
August 18,
August 18,
18th, 1979.
1979. And oh boy.
I can see the aliens. We don't know
What's this? Oh, sprints. Flashing lights.
loud noises, and jump scare. My number 6. 6-9!
Uy. Player discretion is advised. Oh my god, my drawing. Drawing.
Mobile buttons run on. So,
Ito.
I'm using
Nag-draw.
yeah, shift tayo. Not one.
Who the heck is Mark? Mark. Zach. Lily, Zach, Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, Mark. Doon si Mark sa
Oh my
image.
god. Ang hirap mag-explore ah. Napakadaming makikita. Kaya no,
How to open door.
oh, wait lang. May nagasalita. I'm hungry. Mommy celebrates for breakfast. I starve, but not this time again. Guessing is boom! Breakfast is good. Hindi pa kami kumakain. I like where mom is. Yeah. No! What the heck, man? It's not fun. Uy. Oh. Yun na
Baliw
lang.
nagulat.
Go check on mom for breakfast. Mommy! You're not mommy!
Why don't I feel happy? I'm always happy.
You're not mommy!
Interact. I feel unhappy.
Look! Ano yun?
Ew!
It smells...
I feel happy. Aw, ba't ang sad na?
Ano to? Basement door is locked. At nialak yung ano dito, bahay namin. Bahay natin ito sinalak. Si mom na... No, walang kitchen sa taas. Meron ba? I don't know. Naka-highlight yung ano eh. Naka-highlight, so... Depende. Ano yung kitchen? Whether or not pwede.
Where is kitchen? Ba't ang laki ng bahay? Tsaka ba't ang liit natin? Baby ba tayo?
Ano to? Diner room.
Ayun, kitchen. Dinner.
Diner yun.
Bali.
Diner pala sa...
She is so beautiful. Oh my god, ang ganda niya. ganda
A
niya.
plate of bacon and eggs. Oh, I feel happy. I'm happy. Oh, because I go. Ano, mixed emotion.
Yes, mom.
Okay.
You kids and stay in
Hello,
the
hyper.
Mrs. Up with your happy.
Why don't you go
Why don't you go
and
into
tell
your
your
sleep?
Yes, mom.
Yes, mom. Swimming away. Galing.
Oh my God. Akala ko pwede sumunod.
Miss mo na mama mo.
Uy. Tapos na? Go get your siblings. What?
Upstairs.
We have a sibling?
Dito si Zack tsaka si Alalay.
You're not sibling. You're Uncle Rob. No? No?
Yung kid ni Zack. What did I say about knocking? Always remember to knock. It's important to knock. Knocking is what you should do. It makes me happy when you knock. Sorry. Mom says to come in.
Walang kapil dahil sinabi ko, breakfast is important. We should listen to mom. No! Wala akong
Eating
paki.
is good. Good.
I'm happy not eating. Tell your sister Lily na kumain na, tawag na lang ng ina mo. Lily, tawag na tayo ng ina natin.
Breakfast is ready.
Lily,
Oh, perfect. Stomach is growling. You look. What the heck? Ay, gagi. Huh?
Nani?
Different. May diferensya ka sa katawan.
Okay, so. Wait, nasan yung isa?
You mix it down.
Go ahead and take a seat. No. I'll bring
Bring out the food.
all.
Sit tight.
Tumitingin sila sa akin.
Sumungkit ako kay mama. Ayun, pinaupo ko tuloy. Ay, katabi ko si Lily.
I can say my name.
Who is Mark?
Markiplier. Not asking is strange. Together is great. Pero wala ko katabi. I think Mark's eating the basement. One more tawag but the basement is always locked. That's sus. Raptors are interesting. I wonder why it's locked. I also Raptors give secret. Wala mo naman something. Hey, okay. Maybe I should go ask now about Mark. Okay. Asking about Mark is important. Oh, mommy.
Mom!
Floating plates.
Ang sarap.
Kain dito sa tabi ko. Bakit naglagay ng plato? Finish your food before you go play. Okay. Eat. Yes, sweetie. No, we never see one. Is Glayo? Understood? Eat, mom.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am kayo.
Yes, mom. Eat.
Tapos na tayo
I
and
don't want
never
to
come
play.
back.
Ayoko mag-play.
Who doesn't like a creamy don't finish? Dalawang itlog lang naman yan, tapos tatlong bacon. Ay, okay. Grabe. Uy.
Bilis.
Ako na magugas ng plato. Ay.
Very sipag. Ay. Go play around. Be happy.
Ah, dito
Ito
lang.
tayo kay uncle.
Hindi ko talaga mapasok.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh! Ang creepy ni Mark! We love Mark.
Tinignan mo si Mark?
Like, yung painting.
Ah,
Nasa kwarto na naman tayo. Susundan
Yan
tayo
o si
ng-
Mark sa painting.
Hindi lang rin
Curiosity.
nakita. Ate na tinatry mag-parkour. Mark, Daddy, Grandma,
August 18, 1979.
Wake up,
9:15 p.m.
Hindi ko masyado makita. Yeah. Ano ka lang gawin? Ito ba yun?
Objective. Clean up your room.
Para may jump scare.
Akin yung bola.
Ay, ayan. Ay, sorry. Ay. Yay! Wala tayong nalagay.
Eh, linis. Magi.
Sino ko?
Mother.
Who you? Like you guys are ready for bed. Nagkitilpon pa kami. Awas na yun ah.
Oh, no!
Biyak. Objective. Uy! Sige ba?
Ikaw, wow.
Sige ba?
Yes.
Sige ba?
Yes. Yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Sige.
Yes. Yes. Search for basement key.
Kaya na. Kaya natin si Mark. Ang friend na ng mga bata na nakakatakot. Random. Ikaw ba si Mark? You look like Mark. But
Marcus.
hindi. Mas this basement na hindi siya basement.
Nawala si Zach.
Ano, pinatay na si Sok. Siguro si Sok yung kinain natin. Oh,
Wala din si Mom.
nasa basement sila. Nakay ma'am yung susi. Baka pwede open yung drawer, guys. Baka pwede umakyat. Adin, akyat din. May susi ba dito? Yung mga di natin abot? I'm not still finding the basement key. Any key. Door. Just a door. Baka sa mga room ng kapatid natin, pero hindi pwede. I win. I love my family. Parang sa kulungan yard. I can do this. Ito. Mark was hey, macho. Siya. Eh? Akala ko ano? Sa Discord lang ata.
Eh,
Aliran? Eh? Ano yan? Mom is not here. Keep the basement key in here. Wala ba sa kwarto, guys? Oh?
nagising ko yung lalaki.
Oh?
Sorry, boss.
Yung lang tayo kay ma'am dito. So, ano guys? Pantries are strange. That's pantries, right? At panty. May nangarap na ba ng susi? Eh, yung kitchen yan ah. Uy, kitchen! Ang lawak!
Oh, what the
Uy.
fuck? What the
Si Venom.
fuck? Wowie.
What? They are not still. Magka-parkour ba kami dito? Uy, guys oh.
Nakita mo na yung key?
No. Eh, parkour nga guys. Hindi ako magaling mag-parkour guys. Well guys, parkour is mga patak sa abi. Parkour is dapat dito. Paano yung TC? Oh my god. Okay. Walang parkour dun sa other side.
Yun yung key.
Diyan yung pino, sabi ko na ipa-parkour is tayo. May kiki natin sa kapit.
Nakuha ko na. Baba na kayo. Circle. Circle, circle, circle.
Ano ko sa kabila? Kasi meron sa kabila eh.
Blue.
Sa kabila.
Sige, kaya mo yan, Kuya Mikos.
Ano meron dito? I think wala. Kasi wala. Wala kasi sinigure ko lang. Walang something din. Balik na guys. Orto. Kailan ka na din? Pero nakikisi lang yung susi eh. Yung may hawak ng susi naliligaw. Ayan.
I'm here.
Pwede ba siya?
Yay!
Laman nito is... Grabe ah, pinaparkour pa tayo guys. Ayun, meron dito. Aray ko, I'm stuck. Ayun, susi.
I got it.
Other key.
Room ni Mami.
Ano to, mansion? Ang lucky ba? Kasi not good at lazy. Si Adin. Adin naman yung run.
Du 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 du.
We love hard. Hard luck. Wala. Wala.
Na-jumpscare ako. Ang pangit ng mukha.
Pick up. Okay. Basement key pero for na-camouflage yung mark.
Nakatakot yung room.
Mga mark talaga eh.
Basement na tayo. Dito na si Mark.
Mga mark talaga favorite eh. Ano naman lang
Mr.
Kasi ginagawa mo. Ganda ng pagkaano niya, parang
Mom is not going to be very happy. I'm sorry.
Baka mag-block screen lang to.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Sorry is not happy. But sorry is coming.
Sorry is sad.
Sorry is just building something to someone.
Sorry is happy.
Fixing things. Sorry is fixing. Oh my god, my boy.
Happy basement. Ang buhay. Oh my heart.
Father, I love her with all I have. I was not
Odysseus.
Ano yung sabi niya si Potter? Nandiyan si Potter.
Odysseus.
Guys, farmer is important here. Ano siya? Ano siya?
Show.
Guys, nandito si Ma'am. Disconnect ka? Bye. Wala tayo?
Ano, natalo ka?
Pero sa game ka lang. Kaya hindi na labat yung phone. Wala tayo? Black heart. Kailangan yung black heart. Ang daming hanapin dito guys. May black heart key. May playroom. Nagulat ako dun. Nasa bridge na ako guys. Sa bridge ko. Yun lang. Forget ka muna din. Pag ganyan. Opo. Yun guys, pero hindi mo siya nakikita.
Nakaarap yung screen.
Easy na, nakatapos ko na yung laro ko. I'm on the right path. Dive siya muna din. The person ka, tapos na kakanta. Easy, I got the key. Hanap ka lang.
Alam ko nasan ako. Napakadilim.
I found the key. Oh my god, sanay na ako. So, ano gagawin? Ay! Black square! Casey, I'm not seeing you. Ay! Nice one! Teleport tayong dalawa.
Nice.
Tara, tulungan tayo dito.
Yuck! Want to play again? No. Question. I'll take that as a yes. Look how small you are. Normal ka. Yes, I love my burger. Don't lie to Hannes. Don't lie to Papa. Yuck! Patay mo to?
Yung color natin kaya nakita natin hindi pares.
Let's play the game. I know you want to. No, I
Klaseng game yan.
promise I will take good care of you.
Wait.
I'll give you the key to my
Parang
playroom
hindi ka katiwa-tiwala. Itsura mo pa lang.
so we can
Happy
play
yarn.
together. Yuck!
Okay. Teka to.
Nagulat lang siya kasi na-open yung door.
Protektahan niya daw tayo. Ayun na. Oopsies. I have may drop something. No control niya. I will pick it up for you. Ay!
For you, my sugar
Siguro
sugar.
yung hulog niya yan. Feeling ko yung hulog niya yan. Laro kasi ito eh. Ano kasi? Wala kang tiwala. Easy. Wala kang tiwala sa kanya.
Takot ako.
Okay. Wala kang tiwala sa kanya.
May trap ko, MX.
I'm not blocking. Part 3. We cannot run this.
Welcome to our playroom. We are really happy you joined us. Who the fuck is up house? To route.
There are 3. There's nothing to be afraid of. However, there are something.
If you manage to win,
you will give you a special treat.
manalo.
Sana cake. Sana ulam. Sana meat. Sana beef steak.
Gutom na. Ano to, mingle?
Welcome to my favorite game. Ano to? The Doors.
Mingle.
Avoid the big hammer! Tingin ka sa taas. Or not avoid them. Ito. Kita ko. That's suspicious. Okay, ikot. Casey. Ang bilis! Putragas!
Ah! Muntik na ako.
Tutumalon ako. Uy, bad yaw. Yeah, I'm not seeing Casey. Nasa ilang spot lang siguro si Casey.
Nasa iisang spot lang ako eh.
Same.
Hindi ako natatamaan.
Magkaharap siguro tayo, kaya di tayo nagkakita.
Uy, ang galing. Tatamaan.
Pero scary kasi Uy!
Dang.
Hindi ko alam kung nag-stop na pala. Pero angas ng mechanics ng game Angas ng radar. Salute you, bro. Ganda ng game mo.
Hindi na ako natatamaan.
I love your game.
What a sad day. Walang sad. No sad.
I didn't get this
I didn't get to squish anyone. I guess I have to give you a treat now.
Food. Food. Kasi nakatalong ka? Diyan ka lang? Diyan ka kanina? Hindi ka makamatay dyan. Dalawa yung putik. Tama na. Okay na yun. At least naka-encounter ko yung challenge.
Where?
Uy, baka may truck. Uso. Uso mami! Chase Mushroom. Kala ko may dilaw.
You thought you were going to meet your big brother? Too bad. What? Let them give you your treat.
Where?
Your treat is...
Proper treatment.
There is no game.
Eh? Bit again.
You beat the game.
Di ko mo eh. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Uy. Just kidding.
Whoa.
Just kidding.
Whoa, red.
Uy. Bangas din.
Long way.
Ay. I-check lang pero. Uy.
Welcome to my second game.
Haboli pa kami dito. Okay, guess what I choose?
No.
Base sa room. Creepy lang but no idea. Time!
No.
But I'm always in. Tatago.
Gagi.
You want to beat my basic game? Go unlock a door, no. Feeling ko na dahil siya dito. Top of one of the many red glowing boxes. Boxes. Kasi feeling ko, kailangan natin pumasok every room. Pag magwawala siya. I grant you infinite life. Okay. Infinite life tayo, Casey.
Yeah.
Casey box. We're finding boxes. Malawak yung place. Box. I found the key. I found the key.
Okay, good for you.
Saan tayo? Diretso lang? Hindi natin. Try ko bumalik. Hit daw siya eh. I'll try to back. Is there a... No.
I found diamond key pero di ko alam kung nasan ka.
No, Casey.
Like diamond door, alam ko kung nasa diamond door ako. Pero di ko alam kung nasan ka.
May diamond key ka.
Wala.
Casey, kaya mo bumalik? No na? Nagkahanap ako. Oh my god!
take a picture. Ako.
Namatay ka, Gus.
Namatay ako.
Namatay ka, Gus.
Good na namatay
Open
ako.
ko na kasi.
Open mo, open mo, open mo.
Nag-teleport ka?
Teleport ka?
Oh, nice one. Mas madawa kay siya.
Sacrifice.
Your hand is wet.
Pasado. Di ako ano sa
Ano to?
phone eh.
Keep
Pasmado ako pag phone.
Going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Baka kasi dahil sabi stop ko, don't go eh. Kasi pinapalayas tayo ng demon. Mukha tong libingan.
Libingan ni Mark.
Hi, Marv. Hanap pa, ano
So,
to?
patay na si Mark.
Mom said she loved me.
Mom said she loved me. Who the heck is this?
Uy, huli ko. Uy, sino to? Grabe yung macho ba? Sino yun? Si Zoro? Kasi may paakyat eh. Uy, yung angas nito pag may puno to sa Glowa Garden. Kasi straight, just go straight.
Kaya... Ingat sa trap.
Same pa.
Na-follow ko yung red path. Ay, yung black path.
Naramdam lang. Kasi may house?
Door.
Uy, bahay natin. Red door. Uy, red door.
My home.
Uy, crazy. No. What happened to you? No, ba't may excess na mukha? Drawingan mo.
What the heck?
Mag-drawing.
Brother and sister. No,
Kasi
hindi
parang
unreal.
familiar siya sa akin na Japanese something. Yung that's it.
Oo. No.
Hindi ka mahal ng mama mo. And no one
No.
loves you. Hindi ka alam ng mama mo.
Zack and Lily
Really
are not
that's
this
it.
and
Yavan,
Yavan.
that's it.
Grabe naman nanay ko.
Grabe na. You think your mom actually loves you?
You're just a replacement.
Ampun ka lang. Teleporting.
Whoa.
Oh! Tama tayo, girl.
Hey!
I'm not gonna make
Part
it
one
easy
complete.
because this is just for win. But, masabi ko sa game, ang ganda. Ganda talaga. Kasi,
I love the mechanics.
maganda yung parang yung mga mechanics ng game. And kung yung lalo na dun sa yung itatrap ka. And every jump scare, every little moment. Yeah. Ganda, solid.
Especially yung dun sa sa game na yung hammer.
Saan? Hammer.
Kung ngampasin yung head mo ng big hammer, yung ikot-ikot yung
Hindi
hammer.
nga na-try paano mo wasak pa matay dun. But, yeah. That's all guys. Hindi namin nakasama sa atin pero natapos namin ni Casey. And
Yep.
you can still see her in the future vid. Nalapat lang kasi. And wala tayong magawa. But yeah. Thank you and
Thank you.
bye-bye. Ay, saan ka?
Bye-bye.
Where are you?
Here. Here.
Ah!
Drop the beat. Yeah, I can rock with this. Look. 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 Ha. Ha. What the hell is this? Are you rapping? This cannot be human. How are you moving like that?
Yo! Oh my god! What is that?